white. White means peace and is a lovely sight. I am a duck and love to quack. On nuts and seeds I love to snack. My feathers always keep me warm, even in the water and in a storm. I am an eagle, big and strong. My beak is sharp, my talons are long. I swoop through the air with ease. I usually build my nest in trees. I am an owl with big round eyes. My flight is silent, amazing for my size. I eat small animals and the odd bird. My call of to-wit-to-woo is often heard. I am a parrot in red, blue, orange, or green. Yellow ones too are often seen. My beak is strong and my legs are too. I am nearly as clever as you. I'm a penguin in black and white. Unlike other birds, I have no flight. I cannot fly up in the sky. My wings are not made to fly. I am a chicken going cluck, cluck, cluck. On a bed of hay I like to tuck. Upon my eggs and in my nest I like to sit and have